everyone, my name is Awar Hussain from Enlighten properties. Today I'm showing you one of the brand new and the new one bedroom apartment in the building. It's called Bluebell. So here is like the kitchen. You can see it's open plan kitchen with kitchen appliances, and let me show you. This is the washroom. The living area. Let's go for the bedroom. So here's the bedroom. Sorry, the washroom. This is the bedroom. So it's a brand new apartment. So you're the first owner of the property or the tenant of the property, and the price is around 1.2 million. Want to see the balcony? I will show you the balcony as well. So this is the balcony.